So Bruno, I really appreciate you having me over here to your facility in Arizona. We are at Connected Cannabis and Alien Labs. I'm wondering if you can give me a little bit of your background and how you came to be part of this organization.
So my name is Bruno Gagliardi. I'm the Senior General Manager of Cultivation here at Connected Cannabis and Alien Labs, and basically heading up all the production and growing for the state of Arizona. BioSafe has definitely been a huge part of our formula for success back in California. So with Alien Labs and Connected, we really strive for consistency, and any product that can help us achieve that consistency, especially in a very clean format, the way we've been able to with the BioSafe products, naturally that's a huge win for us. It's definitely, I would say, even a staple across the industry. There's very few grows that I've been to where they're not using some BioSafe product.
Sure, that makes sense. In fact, I use BioSafe as one of the 3 pillars of my IPM program, and then anytime I go into a place and they're having some sort of issue with powdery mildew or with bugs, pest pathogens, any of that stuff, BioSafe is like basically one of the first things I choose to implement to help turn the ship around, so to speak.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, we use the Xeritol 2.0 and Sanidate 5.0 here at this point pretty religiously. We use them for a number of different applications, anything from just keeping the foot baths fresh and ready to sanitize before people go into the rooms or out of the rooms, spraying plants with Xeritol, preventing any kind of PM or any kind of fungal pressure on the leaf. And also the water. So we treat our water with it before it hits the plants, guaranteeing that we don't have any, root-borne or waterborne pathogens.
Sure, that makes sense. So you mentioned this has been a staple for you, not even just with Alien and Connected, but throughout your career. Are you using the same products here that you've used in the past? I know that there's some other products in the line that you may not be using here that maybe you've also found value in.
Yeah, so I've used a wide variety of their products, generally the family of peroxides that they have, the Xeritol, Sanidates, 5.0, 12.0, TerraClean as well.
Sure.
I've basically used essentially all of the products that they have available. And we are currently R&Ding with a few more products as well. So I'm in communication with Zach, who's their representative out here. I've been talking to him basically ever since we came out. And we're looking to see what else they have that could help us just consistently improve our product and maintain that consistency across the board. So we're currently trialing out their BioSeries WP. It's essentially a Bavaria mix, but could also be used in a spray application.
Cool. Yeah, I like that they continue to innovate. And I think of particular note is that sort of quality and consistency, residue-free. I assume that is a huge driver for Connected and Alien when it comes to their finished product.
Absolutely, yeah. I mean, it's especially in the cannabis cultivation world, there's a lot of products out there that don't necessarily fully disclose what's in them. I don't feel like I can 100% trust all the products that are out there, but BioSafe, they have my confidence. I mean, like I said, I've been using them my whole career. The people at BioSafe, they do a great job of giving us feedback and working with us anytime we ever need any kind of just a little bit more information and guidance on using the products. They've just been fantastic.
So you mentioned this new product, the BioSafe.
Right.
Can you tell me a little bit about that and like how it's been working with their R&D department? I assume it's a give and take. They look to you for feedback, you give them feedback, they innovate accordingly.
Yeah, absolutely. So we just recently received the BioSeries WP that they want our feedback on, and we've begun incorporating it into our production system. So at this point, we're just using it as a root drench. At this point, it's strictly preventative. But we're kind of just testing out the ease of how it works into the system, solubility, the methods for application. We're really just getting a lot of the IPM program set up here. We're in our beginning stages. So anything that we can find that can just really optimize our IPM program, especially coming from a really valuable and consistent company like BioSafe, that's always great.
So one of the things I really like about the BioSafe product line is their residual-free, and another feature of that sort of free from residue is the OMRI certification and the EPA certified. Can you talk a little bit about how that certification lends itself to what Connected and Alien are trying to deliver?
Sure, yeah, it really lends a lot of trust on our end and accountability on their end, right? They're really putting forward a good quality product that they're more than happy to send through a pretty rigorous testing protocol to make sure that it is EPA registered and OMRI listed. And there's not a whole lot of products that are being marketed towards cannabis that can really say the same.
Sure.
So that's a big step.
And I'm assuming this must have been like a really big deal in a place like California, right?
Absolutely, yeah.
Now you are spreading out into Arizona, and my guess is you're going to take this with you as you guys continue to spread out into other states as well, yeah?
Oh yeah, absolutely. There was one of the first contacts that I made moving out here to Arizona was getting in touch with BioSafe, getting a hold of a representative out here, and just getting that set up as quickly as possible. I mean, it's definitely, like I said, one of the major pillars of our IPM program and one of the parts of the recipe to success.
Bruno, I really appreciate your time and seeing your great facility, so thank you very, very much.
Yep, anytime.